Alright, I'm Nick with Sherlock and Wolverine hand tools. Here today to test the wheelbarrow again. This time we got bigger rocks.
The new Wolverine wheelbarrow is the toughest on the market. We've smashed it with hammers and dropped rocks in from high up. Today we're dropping a half-ton boulder into it. The American-made thermoform tub is built to last, and here's the proof.
Check that out. Now, if we were on even ground, it wouldn't have sank like that. The boulder is in there. Now, how do we get it out? She still lives. We're gonna try one more time.
To find out the rough weight of this boulder, we took our length times width times height, multiplied it by the density of granite, and we came up with about half a ton.
Oh, but it still works. Dang.
This wheelbarrow just had a half-ton boulder dropped into it, and I'm still able to move it around. Nothing is broken on this wheelbarrow, and it's still standing.
Look at that. And after all that, nothing. I mean, that's a lot of weight. But it's still lit to see another day.